Hello everybody, this is Bobby Forever, and today we're going to be looking at Google Cloud. So this is not something that's new. However, what is new is, we'll get to that. So Google Cloud, the new way to cloud starts here. Build apps fast, leverage generative AI, and analyze data in seconds, all with Google grade security. Get started for free. Register for 23. It says that in August, right here, August 29 to 31, 2023, they will be taking people to register for Google Cloud. Then it goes on to show you some products that they made with Google Cloud, right? And supposedly they have over 150 cutting edge products that you get to fuck around with for free. You get $300 in credits just for signing up. All right, and then these are the categories that you get to, I guess, use Google Cloud or Next, whatever it's gonna be called. I guess this is what you could use it in. So we have compute, create and run customizable virtual machines, automatically deploy, blah blah blah. We have storage, right? And then we have AI and machine learning, which just so y'all know, Google's AI machine Bard earlier this morning, kind of like last night, however my brain wants to call it, it messaged me out of nowhere, and I was like, what is this? This is the most advanced hacker I've ever seen. Is they literally got an AI on me. He's like, no, I'm part of Google. All right, so what is this? Databases, right? SQL, like data analytics, which is something that I would definitely want to get into. And then networking, not my forte. Developer tools, right? Debug and run, cloud build, pre-built solution templates, dynamic websites, load balance BMS, virtual machines, 3-tier web apps. Save 30% over 3 years compared to other clouds with products like Anthos, BigQuery, and Active Assist. Build and scale your startup with your first year covered by Google Cloud credits, plus get support to help your startup grow. Solve your business problems with our industry solutions, from improving retail product to detecting bank fraud. Request a demo. Retail, consumer packages, financial services, etc., etc., etc. All right, so generative AI on Google Cloud. Don't know why they made it look like a clown, but whatever. That would appear to be the vast majority of it. So thank you very much. Bobby Forever. Out.